it's had a significant impact, obviously, in the global transport sector. That's across land, sea, and air. And in particular, it sent the aviation industry into crisis almost overnight, with an overall air traffic levels down by about 80% globally. And obviously, this comes with huge economic impact on the industry and all its adjacent segments, tourism and hospitality, and the multiple supply chain industry that supports that sector. In the short term, the immediate actions that we saw from customers were consistent with what you'd expect in a crisis mode: postponing capex and opex investment, cost containment exercises, including suspending outsourcing supply chain contractors, emphasis on optimizing assets and lifecycle management, and halting recruitment and training and reducing workforce numbers. So 3 key areas where it's had an immediate impact. The old rule book for, in fact, in terms of airports, the way that they operated in a lot of different segments, but particularly outsourcing, simply won't apply going forward, because the traditional fixed pricing of input-based, output-based with variable metrics simply isn't going to meet the needs of clients going forward. And from what we understand in our discussions with clients across all segments in that sort of aviation ecosystem, is that they're looking for flexibility, they're looking for scalability, and they're looking for outsourcing companies like Serco to come up with innovative ways of reducing costs, but not degrading service. So the traditional methods we're even seeing now at where we're offering proposals for customers, to customers and clients, they're looking at these and saying, well, that's interesting. We hadn't looked at that before. And some of the more mature clients are actually demanding that we revisit some of the outsourcing solutions.